Subscribe to Mind Body Soul and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Namaste. Welcome to another episode of Wellness with Vibha. I am your host Vibha, and today I want to talk about self-confidence. In life, there are moments of happiness and joy, and also difficulty, hardships, and challenges. There exists within each of us the ability to face these moments head on. In moments of hardship, it is always good to slow down, reflect, and tap into our innate wisdom. Looking outside constantly for approval only leads to dissatisfaction with our present self. It also opens us to comparisons and unhappiness. The words we choose when we think of ourselves have a powerful impact on us. When we talk about ourselves, whether it's in our own head or in conversation with others, it is really important to become mindful and observant and choose those words that are nurturing to us. Let's put this into practice by doing a short meditation together. Let's sit in Sukhasana. Relax your hands over your knees and gently close your eyes. Place the right hand over your heart, the left over your belly. Breathe steadily. Watch your hands rise as you inhale and relax them down as you exhale. Once more. Becoming aware of the space between the rib cage and the navel, breathe steadily. In this space rests your Manipura chakra. This chakra houses your self-confidence, clarity, and wisdom. Breathe steadily to gently stimulate your Manipura chakra. Become aware of the thoughts that arise in your mind now. Simply notice these thoughts. We are playing the role of a witness observer again. If you notice any self-limiting thoughts like, I don't know enough or I cannot, replace them with, I know enough and I can find out more. And I have faced hardship before. I can do it again. Become aware of your thoughts and slowly, consciously shift them to a better place. Let's stay here for 5 more breaths, very mindfully working with our thoughts. Visualize the color yellow. Tap into that vibration of the color yellow. Allow its uplifting vibration to permeate from your heart, the solar plexus or the Manipura chakra, and into every cell. To come out, gently warm your palms. Cover your eyes. Slowly blink your eyelids open. And gently come back. This is a little practice that helps you develop the awareness so you can shift your thoughts from a self-limiting to self-affirming place. Throughout the day, try to watch your thoughts. See if you can replace them with positive and uplifting ones. This is an ongoing, everyday process from morning to night. Thank you for joining me today. Stay tuned for another episode of Wellness with Vibha, where we continue our journey to developing a deeper and more loving connection with ourselves. See you next time.